Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And in this video we will talk about matrix. So let's start. What is matrix? By definition. Definition of matrix is a rectangular arrangement of a numbers, symbols, functions, definition of matrix is a rectangular arrangement of a numbers, symbols, functions. If we arrange in rectangular form, start. Symbols, functions is called matrix. Let's example of this. 2, 3, 4, 8, 5, 6. This is a matrix, okay? 8, 2, 9, 5, 7, 3. This is a matrix, okay? Now, write how we write matrix and what is symbol of matrix. Next, and a matrix is written by English alphabet, English capital alphabet. Look at this. If A is a matrix, then we can write Aij in form of Aij, where Aij is element of matrix A, and I is equals to number of rows and J is equals to number of column. Okay? In this A is a matrix, we can write Aij, where Aij is element of a matrix A, and Ij where I is number of rows and J is number of column. Look at another example. If we have 2, 5, 7, 9, 3, 2, 4. This is our first row first, and this is our second row, and this is our first C1 column, second column and third column. This is our matrix. And suppose I am giving another example. 2, 4, 3, 1, 8, 6. Here is column 1 is this and column 2 is this. And row 1 and this is row 2 and this is row 3. Next, this is Aij. Next I am showing you how this is work. Look at if I am writing matrix A is 4, 6, 3, 2, 5, 9. So we can say this element is A11. It means first row and first column. This is C1 and this is R1. First row and first column. And if we write about this is A12. Means first row and second column. What we write for this? A13, first row and third column. This is A21, second row, R2 and column first. A22 means second row and second column. A23 it's mean second row and third column. If we write in general form, this is A11. This is A12, A13, so on, A1N. Okay, and if I am giving in column A11, A21, A31, so on AN1. Okay. AN2, AN3, so on AMN. It means this is AMN, otherwise we can write AIJ. Okay? Now we have taken one example. Write the coordinate of a triangle ABC with vertex A 4, -1, B 3, 2 and C 2, -4 in a matrix formation. Here vertex of triangle A is equals to 4, -1 and B is equals to 3, 2 and C is equals to 2, -4. We can write with two types of matrix. First, if we want A, B and C, we can write 4, -1, 3, 2 and 2, -4. Okay? And in another way, we can write this in 4, -1, 3, 2, 2, -4. Now I am going to tell what is order of a matrix. Look at, here is row 1 R1, here is R2 and here is R3. So your number of row is 3 cross and here number of column is 2. So its order is 3 cross 2. Okay? Order is written in form of M cross N. Okay? Number order. Order of matrix is written in M cross N. This is not multiply, this is M cross N. Where, wait 1 minute, I am clearing the word. Here is matrix is Aij. This order is M cross N. Where M is equals to number of rows and N is equals to number of column. Okay? If here is one matrix 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 8. If I ask what is the order of this matrix? Order of this matrix is, here is one row and second row, 2 cross, and here is C1, C2 and C3. Here is 3 columns, so we can write 2 cross 3. This is order of our matrix. Next, I am giving you one question, then you will clear. So let's start with this example. In this question, is asking construct a 2 cross 3 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equals to 2i plus j. So let's start. We have to construct 2 cross 3 matrix. 2 cross 3 means here is number of row is 2, number of rows is 2 and number of columns is 3. So look at this. This is our R1, row 1 and this is our R2. And we have to construct 3 columns. So this is our C1 and this is our C2 and this is our C3. We have to fill this space and this space. Also this. Okay. So what we can write here? We can write A11, A12 and A13. This is A21. Second row and first column, A22 and A23. So we have to find value of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22 and A23 by this. Okay, so let's start. A11 is equals to, we know Aij is equals to 2i plus j. So we can write 2 into 1 plus 1. Here 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Again A12 is equals to 2 into 1 plus 2. Here 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Again here A13 is equals to 2 into 1 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5, and A21 is equals to 2 into 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. A22 is equals to 2 multiply 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Again we have to find A23 is equals to 2 into 2 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Look at what am I doing? A13, it's mean I value is 1 and J value is 3. And here given Aij is equals to 2I plus J. So we are putting value of I here and value of J is here. Okay. And if we are finding A22, then value of I is 2 and value of J is 2. So we can construct a matrix whose A11. What is value of A11? 3. A12 value is 4. A13 value is 5. And A21 value is 5. A22 value is 6. And A23 value is 7. This is our matrix order 2 cross 3. Here is number of row is 2 and number of column is 3. Let's done. Next. Ready? Now we will talk about types of matrix. First type of matrix is rectangular matrix. Rectangle matrix. Rectangle matrix means a matrix have a matrix in which number of rows not equal to number of columns. We can write if a matrix A is equals to Aij, where order is m cross n, then we can say m does not equals to n. Here I am saying number of rows and number of column are not equal. It will be different. Okay. Suppose 2 cross 3 matrix is a rectangle matrix. 4 cross 5 matrix is a rectangle matrix. 3 cross 2 matrix is a rectangle matrix. 1 cross 2 matrix is a rectangle matrix. 1 it means m does not equals to n. Then we can say this is a rectangle matrix. Next, in a square matrix, if here matrix is A is equals to Aij and here order is m cross n, then in square matrix ordered pairs are equal. Number of m is equals to n. Number of row should be equal to the number of column. Okay, number of rows should be equal to number of column. If number of row and columns are equal, then we can say this is square matrix. Suppose if any matrix order 2 cross 2, otherwise 2 cross 2, sorry, if any matrix is 3 cross 3, this is our square matrix. Next, this is our row matrix. Row matrix means only one row. If any matrix have only one row, this is called row matrix. Suppose 2, 4, 8. This is our row matrix because here only one row. We can write 1 cross 3. So we can say A is equals to Aij M cross N only for 1 cross M, because number of row is 1 in any case for row matrix, and N means number of column can be changed. Okay, so next, this is our column matrix. A matrix have only one column is called column matrix. Column matrix. Okay, if we have A is equals to Aij, it means M cross 1, because column is only 1 in column matrix. Okay, next is diagonal matrix. A matrix, here is diagonal matrix. A matrix where Aij is equals to 0 for all I. This is symbol of for all. For all I does not equals to j. Suppose I am giving one example. Here is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. In this case, I am saying Aij is equals to 0 for all A does not equals to j. Where I and j is not equal, there Aij is equals to 0. Suppose here is not equal, here, 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 here and here. So this is 0. We can write A11, A22 and A33. Otherwise, all are 0. Okay? In this diagonal matrices where Aij is 0, where I does not equals to j. Here 1, 1, I is equals to j. But here 1 and 2, I does not equals to j. Then its value is 0 and here is also 0. This is 0 and this is 0 and this is 0. So this is our diagonal matrix. Okay? Next. Now we will talk about scalar matrix. Scalar matrix means there is no condition. First, Aij is equals to 0 where I does not equals to j, and also Aij is equals to 1 where I is equals to j. Sorry, 1 not k. K in the same. Where I is equals to j, their value of element is same. Okay. Suppose here is a matrix. This is A11, this is A22, and this is A33. So this is same value k, 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 and all are 0. Okay, this is our scalar matrix. Now in this, after this I am telling you an identity matrix. Value of this person is 1, 1, 1 and 1. This is our identity matrix. Okay, what I told tell before, this 5 number diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means diagonal value or all are 0 leaving diagonal. Okay, and in scalar matrix all diagonals is equal, and in identity matrix all diagonal is 1. Okay, next, zero matrix is each element is 0. If every element is 0, this is a zero matrix. A is equals to Aij, where Aij is equals to 0 for all Aij is equals to 0. This is our zero matrix. Now we will talk about equal matrix. Here is equal matrix. Two matrices are said to be equal. Two matrices are said to be equal if order of matrix and corresponding elements are same. Suppose if I have matrix A is equals to A11, A12, A21 and A22, and here is a B, B11, B12, B21 and B22. Its means this order is 2 cross 2 and also its order is 2 cross 2. First we have to find if order is equal or not. Here is order is equal, and we can say A11 is equals to B11, A12 is equals to B12, A21 is equals to B21 and A22 is equals to B22. Every corresponding elements have to be same. Then we can say A is matrix is equals to matrix B. Now I am showing you one question. Let's see those questions. Find value of A, B, C and D if this matrix and this matrix are equal. We know that if two matrices are equal, then corresponding elements are equal. So we can say 2A is equals to 4. So A is equals to 4 upon 2 means A is equals to 2. Again 4C is equals to 24. C is equals to 24 upon 4. C is equals to 6. And here 2B is equals to minus 6. So B is equals to minus 3. And 5. Here is D. Okay. And 5. D is equals to 10. So D is equals to 10 upon 5. So D is equals to 2. This is value of A, B, C and D. This is our equal matrix. Okay. Remaining part we will talk about next video. If you are liking my videos, so like and subscribe and comment. Thank you.